Oh, what's going on today?
Well, there's nothing done yet. He's gone for parts or for plywood. And I'm gonna go to XL right after dinner.
Okay. Tuesday, April 2nd. The Apprentice is in town picking up some parts, and Dad was working on some stuff here today after a slow weekend. We'll check in with him right now. Okay, I think Dad said he's doing the brake cylinder.
I'm still waiting for bolts for the transmission.
Okay. So,
I'll show you
let me get it. Okay, so this is the brake
Okay.
cylinder.
I have to make that bracket,
Yeah.
and it's gotta touch the floor when I weld the floor in.
Mm-hmm.
And then that's the brake cylinder that he sent. So this is how it works. That lever pulls that way. So when it pulls that way, hooked on here, it activates the brake. Eh?
Okay.
So pretty well day wasted getting that fitted up and proven. Eh?
Okay.
And I got the rod now. So hook it up, and I can't work that until I get the caliper and the line on, because it'll ruin the. You can't activate that dry because it'll wreck the rubbers. But everything's made to take apart.
Okay, well, that's good. So what's next after this?
Well, I thought maybe I'll try and fit in the heater.
Okay.
I still got stuff to do in there.
Okay. Okay, well.
I'm stopped on this, because I need those bolts. All these studs in here are just lining studs for putting the transmission in.
Okay. So you said you're going to get the rotor made, right?
Yeah, that's over here.
Okay.
This is the rotor that he sent. I can't make that work for simple reason that doesn't fit.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get one made exactly same as this, and it'll be welded on there between those two marks.
Okay.
I'm just taking this for a sample, so all this will go back to him, whatever we don't use.
Okay, and so after that, what's the next step? Because you're waiting on parts, and there's like...
I can't put the floor in until I get the motor and transmission in and a drive shaft.
Yeah.
That's the next thing. Drive shaft has to be... I can't even do anything with it until I get the transmission in, because it has to be cut to fit.
Okay.
So I'm pretty well screwed.
Okay. So, Dad is thinking of tasks here that he can do.
So
Got to get order in the. We have to order in the gauges.
yeah, did you order?
Yep. And then we're going to. Dad can do that. So you can probably do the wiring for
Yeah,
the
the
power
gauges
steering.
have to
There's
go in
lots of little
first.
things here. The blower motor heater. The front's got to be covered in, so he should be able to keep himself busy. He's also got the wheels that he can put on, I guess, right?
No, not
No?
until the stump pan is in.
Oh, right, yeah.
I got a new nut for the
Differential,
diff. Remember
yeah.
there was one broken?
Okay. Did you manage to find one, or did you have to buy one?
No, I had to buy one.
Okay.
So everything has to go in order, because I can't put this in and then I got no room to weld on the floor.
Okay.
Transmission has to go in, hooked up to the motor and the transmission mount. Then is the diff. Then the measurement on the drive shaft
Okay.
to see how much has to be cut off. And I can fit the heater in.
Okay. Well,
If you don't have parts, you're stumped.
yeah. Okay, so that's it right now, guys. It is 2nd of April, like I mentioned. Dad's still waiting on parts, which happens to him all the time. But we'll check in with him again tomorrow. Perky!
Yeah.
Did you lose a bet or you didn't want me to shave your beard?
No, it was time,
I don't even recognize you, man. You look 15 years younger.
Hey, I got the drill press, or actually a drill cut in my hair one time, so
Yeah.
I figured it was getting to be about time.
Okay. Well, your family says I have to call you Perky from now on.
Oh, do they?
Yeah. So, there you go. Looking good, buddy.
Right on. Thanks.
Okay.
Yeah, right on.
What's wrong? Hey? Tell me what's wrong. Oh, poor old dog, eh? Has to lay in the sunbeam. Okay, come on, let's go inside.